a car. I think I'm driving home right now. I'm not as drunk as I am. And if I got home,
we want to go for a ride? We want to go for a ride? Today for service on the speedometer or a speed sensor and stuff like that. It ended up being more, then there was another problem, and then by the time I was gone, the lot guy ended up backing my truck into a wall, and so with a rental car.
I'd have wild sex.
So now they've given me a rental car, so I think it's called rental car time. So I'm reading over this thing that I have to do with this rental car. This is it, by the way. Okay, you gotta take care of it. Stuff like that. I'm not supposed to smoke in the car either, so. Puddle, so acknowledge, alright? You're gonna see his stuff. I don't know, we're gonna see something. I have almost no visibility right here. I mean, dude, it's like nothing. It's like crazy, dude. Can you see in front of you? Dude, that's almost nothing. It's my rental car. You'll notice that it's nice and clean. What would you do with a rental car? Get done with this car, it's gonna be black. Is that right? Look at that nice clean car. Alright, let's go have some fun. No way that I'm driving home! Traffic jam tonight. No. This night sucks. Henry? This sucks.
Take away the sensation inside. Bittersweet migraine in my head. It's like a throbbing toothache of the mind. I can't take this feeling anymore. Drain the pressure from the swelling. The sensation's overwhelming. Give me a look, just good night. Everything'll be alright. Tell me that I won't feel a thing. So give me
So how am I doing? You're doing okay, better than you worry about. Yeah. Okay. You got a broken bone, but it's not real bad.
I seem to have kind of messed myself up. So.
Wait, go for a ride?